In a layman's language, automation is something that will control your electrical appliances like light, fan, AC, AV, curtains. And how do you use it? Maybe through a voice control with Alexa or Google Home or a Siri. You may also use a mobile phone right from your home or from outside your house, away from your house. You can use smart switches to call for scenarios or maybe say master control. Scenarios we are going to look at it a little later. For master control, I can explain just one click of a button and all the lights in my bedroom will be off, all fan will be off, button will close, AC will go off. So just one click and everything is done. I don't need to do them individually. That is master control. And you can do it through scheduling. For example, you want geyser to turn on at 6 o'clock in the morning, you want curtain to close at 12 noon. But there are different requirements which can be automated without human intervention, and this makes a lot fun to use automation. So let's explore few more examples. What exactly does the automation offer? When it comes to lighting, which is very important to human life, automation offers to dim the lights apart from switching on and off. When you dim the lights, you increase or decrease the lux level to suit the requirement of the day. So at times you may want dim lights in a room, but in case if you do 50% lights off and 50% light on, then there is uneven lighting, not balanced, not uniform lighting, and it may not sound good to human eyes. So in that case, automation serves a good purpose. We can have all the lights on at 30%. So it creates a uniform ambience in the room, and it's also soothing to our eyes. So dimming is very important aspect of lighting control, which can be easily achieved with automation. If you engage colored lamps, then it adds one more dimension to your ambience creation. Not only that you can control the dimming of the light, but you can also choose the color. At times while partying, you can change the colors to yellow with 90% brightness. And while listening to music, light music, you may want it to blue at 30%. So depending on your requirement, you may change the ambience with not just the intensity but also the colors and create perfect mood for your requirement. And that is a lot of fun with automation. It can be easily done. When it comes to curtain, I have a little video. Let's play.
Motorized curtain comes with a motor mounted vertically, either on left side or on right side. Curtain motor gets locked and is wired to the controller. The fabric gets mounted onto the hooks laying over the belt. One can use the remote to operate the curtain or gently push the fabric manually to make it move.
Lovely, isn't it? You can use remote control wall mounted switches or simply pull the curtain to drag it to the final position. This is very important aspect. We call it as one touch. New motors have these features. Particularly old motors did not have this feature, and it was nightmare when there is no power. You will not be able to operate the curtains. But with the new feature, it also offers you to pull the curtain open or close manually while there is no power. So it works as like a normal curtain when there is no power, and when there is a power, it acts like a motorized curtain. So that is one of the very good new feature that one must look for. You can always engage voice assistant like Alexa to give commands to close the curtains for you or start TV for you or turn the lights dimmed to whatever that you want. You can also schedule curtain to close at sunset and light to start at 50% in the evening, so that this repeated scheduled tasks are taken care of automatically. When it comes to automation, I feel scene control is one of the best thing that it offers. Scene control is something that with a click of one button, a lot of operations happening simultaneously. All these sequences of the operations are already pre-programmed with the automation system. And for example, if you want to see the movie, just one click, it starts projector, it changes the source to AVR, it starts the air conditioning, it dims the light, and it closes the curtain. So there are a sequence of things that are happening with automation system can easily do it. All you have to do is click one button. You don't have to worry to operate each of them separately. So scene control is one of the best part, in my opinion, that automation can offer to humans. So we are going to learn more about all this automation, how exactly it has been done in the next sessions. Please stay connected. See you for now. Bye bye.